Hi, welcome to our studio apartment. Let me take you on a quick tour. As you can see when you walk in, furniture's already in here and comes included in the unit. Another thing you might notice is this beautiful plank flooring, giving you a real modern feel to the unit. As we walk into the kitchen, you'll see we have a gas range along with a refrigerator that comes with the unit. And this space also opens up to your living room, giving you that open floor plan. Let me take you into your bathroom. If you walk right this way, you'll see also the plank flooring continues in here. You have a lot of light and a beautiful counter space. In addition, tons of closet space. This one has a dresser inside of it, and you can see how far back it goes as well. And if we move down, right in these doors is a Murphy bed. The great thing about a Murphy bed is during the day you can put it away, allowing for you to utilize your entire living space. And then at night you pull it out. It makes it feel more like a one-bedroom than a studio. And in here, even more storage. The one thing I can't show you is the top-class management that comes with every Carlo Inc. property. Ask anyone that's lived here before and they'll tell you that we always put our residents first. We really look forward to putting you first.